when your fears come true. Where's all the rock? Where'd it go? Gotta watch out for this big ramp right here. It just soaked me a minute ago. Beautiful, beautiful night. Oh man. Alright. Time to go get wet again. Alright. We're resorted to going through the woods. People are gonna freak out when they see Superior and what it's done to the beaches. Whoa. Oh yeah, look. Oh, we're back. Oh geez. It's a drop off. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what we just went around. The beach is gone. Oh geez. Oh no 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 no. Oh my god. These are only like 8-foot waves. Last night they were over 20 feet. So keep that in mind. Alright. Well, the ground is lifted up. Trees are falling down. He's got boots on. I don't have that. Alright, I gotta turn this camera off and run. Oh. I can't believe he finally made it past that. God, I hope the waves go down. And yeah, not looking good here, guys. Pretty sandy. Wow. Where did all the beach and all the rocks go? Wow. I wonder if this is Ross's bucket. Ross, we found your bucket, buddy. Good news. It's right out here. It's hard to believe the water was all the way up to the edge up here. It's pushing rock over the edge. Look at this. I'm trying to figure out where all the rock is. It's all over the edge. Last night, the water was all the way up to here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's gonna be a great night. Take a walk up here again. You can see where the driftwood is. That's how high the water was last. And look at all the water, how high it got here. Push the driftwood over. It's deposited so much rock past where the land, where the tree line used to be, and just sent it down into the woods. Wow. I'm telling you, it's just incredible what this last storm has done. Crazy. The water's way down there now, so it's gonna be a beautiful night. Almost to the end. Almost missed the sun going down. Well, this area of the beach looks a lot different. Beach building. Where'd that big rock come from? Yeah. Let's see if we can't find some more in here. My battery is dying. Unfortunately, that's always what happens. I just saw one. This one right here. Anyway, we'll come back and I'll show you all the ones I found tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. Wow, it was a long night on Lake Superior, as you just saw. I thought I'd show you my my Emberlites here that I found. Some of my really nice ones that I found, and show them off on my I Love Upper Michigan table. And as you see, there are stones all in the table, kind of where the cities are in the UP. But let's check out some stones that I got. These are just some of the ones that I found. I pulled out a lot of the bright ones and the nice ones, just kind of to show you. As you saw, so much of the beach on Superior is gone. That section where we walked through the woods, on the way back, we did not walk through the woods. We stuck with the water, and I literally got soaked up to my knees. But what do you think? Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Like I said, these are just the really nice bright ones. And yeah, I think it was worth it. God, what a great night. I wish I could show you guys what it's like to hunt them, but it's so hard to film when it's dark, and trying to focus the light and just everything else. It's just too hard. Anyway, guys, make sure to slam that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that share button. Of course, make a comment below. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these stones or other ones that I have, please go see my Etsy store that I have listed below in the description. Alright, guys. Man, I'm tired. I'm going to go relax, I think, this afternoon, and look at my rocks. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Get out and do something.